Anyone ever uses these cookers? Well, tonight we're gonna cook dinner on here. If you're wondering too, the price of wood is completely outrageous. At Speedway, this was $7.99. $8 for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Oh. Tonight we're gonna make taco chili, but we ran into one problem. I don't even know how to make taco chili, so I thought it was just meat, you know, corn, beans, and stuff. I didn't get any like soup or whatever, so I'm gonna use water, and we're gonna season the water. Who knows? I mean, maybe that's what you're supposed to do, but I don't think so. Man. Dang it. All right. So if your fire's going too good and it's cooking way too fast, like take a look at this. It's boiling very intensely. Just scoot it over. Get a little cast iron here, upside down. Boom, 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 boom.